So this is an air medical evacuation setup. You can think of it as the ambulance setup. So we can actually provide medicine occupation needs. So we will actually start the mission with critical conditions in aviation doctor as well as aviation research medical expertise, the training. So with all this team, or rather this team and the equipment you see here,
very good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome aboard the RSAF A330MRTT. Please feel free to take photos and videos while you are in the cabin, and do refrain from touching the overhead cabins or the switches. Thank you and enjoy the aircon here.
So this is
Very good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome aboard the RSAF A330MRTT.